चलो भाई, आज हम जा रहे हैं बैडमिंटन खेलने। अभी रोज़ शाम की रूटीन होती है। सो लेट्स मीट यू ऑन कोर्ट। तो मैंने अचार सुखाने डाला था, 3 दिन से अचार सूख ही रहा है। ये है मेरे बड़े भाई साहब, पहली बार आपको इनसे मिला रहा हूँ। ये और हमारे वीडियोस में आते रहेंगे। तो भाई इस टाइम पे हवा चलनी बहुत ज़्यादा शुरू हो गई है, तो हम लोगों ने गेम इस टाइम पे छोड़ दिया है बीच में ही। चलो, सो टुडेज लेक्चर नंबर 9 ऑन स्टीम ट्रैप्स। ओके, सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट बिकॉज खेल तो समाप्त हो चुका है। Getting into these steam traps, we are going to know the basics of steam trap, that how we came to know that we need steam trap, what was the necessity of the steam trap, and how the evolution of steam trap happened. This is the first thing that we should know. So before that, we need to get into very basics of steam trap, that why we need steam trap. For that, let's draw the tank here. This is the tank. It can be any tank. Let's assume it's a fuel tank. This is the inlet to the fuel tank, and this is the outlet to the fuel tank. Here I have not drawn the steam trap. Let's see what happens when there is no steam trap in the line. The steam is coming from the boiler. Here I have made the boiler, and to generate steam we need what? Fuel oil. It can be any fuel oil. Giving fuel oil to produce steam, that is giving money to produce steam. The fuel that is going to the burner to generate steam. We have also already made the videos on different types of burner. If you have not seen that video, please go to this I button and see that video. So the steam is being produced in the boiler by burning fuel. Let's mark it diesel oil or heavy fuel oil. The steam is going inside the tank. After making the rounds in the tank, it is going out to the dump condenser. From dump condenser, the steam is going to the cascade tank. I'm drawing the basic outlet. This is not the actual line diagram, but the components are in line. And from cascade tank, we have the feed pump which supply water again to the boiler. Now steam is carrying some amount of energy. It is the latent heat of energy. As it is passing through the tubes, it gives some latent heat to the tank content of the tank. Maybe it is HFO to heat the content of the tank, and then it is going to the outside. The steam which has given out its latent heat, it gets converted into the condensate, and the steam which has not given it up its latent heat, it is moving out from the system. So here at the outlet we are getting steam plus condensate. So now the steam that is very costly, which we have produced by burning the diesel oil, is going out from the tank and being dumped in the condenser, and it is forcefully being converted into the water. So here the system is not very efficient. There is wastage of money as wastage of fuel that is being burned, and we are unnecessarily increasing the running hour of our boiler. So to avoid such kind of situation, there were certain suggestions that came into practice. So initially what they have decided is to put a throttling valve at the outlet of the steam pipeline. By this, what happened, they throttled it such that only the condensate plus some amount of steam can come out from the system. So which gradually reduced the steam that was being wasted at this point of time. So this certainly helped, but it was also not a very efficient system, because still some amount of steam was going to the dump condenser, and other than that, due to the continuous change in the outside temperature, suppose the ship is going to the summer area, so at that time the temperature of the tank would come easily, and they have to throttle the valve so that the steam does not get out. So they used to close the valve. So when the ship is going into the winter area, at that time it would require much more steam to heat the content of the tank. So they used to open this outlet valve. So by this, there used to be a regular monitoring in this kind of system. The second thing what they have done was to remove the valve and to put a orifice plate with a hole into this line. So they had put a valve with an orifice hole. So this was also efficient, but what happened is that this system also could not adjust to the load of the tank or according to the temperature of the tank. So this system was also failed. So the third thing that came was steam trap.
ਬਾਕੀ ਜੋ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੋ ਜਵੇ ਵੀਰੇ, ਪਰ ਗਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢਣੀ।